Can you repeat that, please?
Do you only start looking at the charts around about 10:30 New York time?
Yeah,
Okay.
I recommend that you do the same
Okay, cool.
because at 9:30 EST that New York Open,
Mm-hmm.
it's a really volatile time in it, and the market is
Yeah.
structured. You like today, you usually see a higher time frame low and a higher time frame high taken both ways. Usually both sides get chopped, but it's usually around, let's say, an hour after the open, price tends to consolidate. That's all it
Yeah.
really is. So I choose to trade in a consolidation most times. So that's why I wait until 10:30.
Okay.
But if
That's good.
if you start to observe it in price, it's not something that you have to trust. What I say is something that you can just see,
Mm-hmm.
in the chart.
Okay.
So yeah, let's see what this 1 minute looks like for today. I want to see if that was a closure on the 12. No closure on the 12, so that loads weak. Plus we have the say no more. Say no more. Count 3. Boom. First reversal yet to be liquidated. So that can always happen. Then we move back into the range.
Okay.
We've got 1, 2, 3. Boom. Either way, this is our structural high. This is our structural low. I need to see a closure above, what's that? 653 or a closure below 595. I'm going to put this in the chart section.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to put my chart in the chart. This is what I'm looking at right now
Okay.
on a 5 second.
So you're waiting for one side to get taken.
Either side. Either side.
Okay. Okay.
Apart from that, it's it's a long term play. But if you were to mm, 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 see that back into the range, you can see something like that back inside as well, depending on this, 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 this. Either way, to see three pullbacks after I see a closure above this high. Then I'll consider a setup. But anyway, without doing too much,
Yeah.
without doing too much, I'll just stay analyzing the 5 second zoomed out for now. Because
Yeah. It's, yeah.
this model is a thing where you have two type of setups. I call basically higher time frame setups and lower time frame setups, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know how you are consistently counting lower time frame pullback. So a lower time frame pullback is always starts from like a structural high or low.
Mm-hmm.
So you will always be able to time. That is how I time my entries. So
So you
I was
basically you,
mm,
you're looking at at the higher time frame structure on the lower time frame.
I'm looking at higher time frame structure right now. You know what? Yeah, I should just share my screen on Discord. That's if my laptop can handle it. Change screens, go live. Alright,
Yeah, I can see.
yeah. So this is what I mean. Yeah, you see how I'm zoomed out on the 5 second right now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This is what I mean. I'm talking about this is technically the structural low, right? And I'm counting my pullbacks like this. So this is just one way of viewing it, but then you can also view it like this as well. When you're trading the open, high, low, and close of it, you're reading the narrative that way. But that's the lower time frame. So this is what I was seeing. But I told myself, nah, 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 let me chill. I just hopped on the chart. I know I can trade this way, but I usually like to just wait for a high time frame move and then look for lower time frame moves first, rather than trying
Yeah.
to be all technical straight away. So I'm seeing this. Dun, 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 dun. I see the closure against the third reversal. What I'll be doing is tracking this, for example. Now it would be this. Now I need to see what the 1 minute's talking about. Hold on, let me out the chart. I need to see a 1 minute wick. We just got that wick. I need to see a closure above it. No closure.
Is
What's
that so? You're looking for a wick on the 1 minute and then on the 5 second a closure above the S&D responsible.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Order filled.
So you enter as
Now I'm
soon as
aiming.
it closes.
Yeah, and I'm aiming for a 10 point move. That's my target. Price can usually get to the previous candle high as a target. And the S&D responsible is a good target as well. Usually price reaches 10 points before um, even reaching the target, which I don't really care about targets, bro. I pay attention to the points and you should too. Price doesn't have to reach your target to make money from.
Yeah. So you just looking at points, 10 points,
Yeah,
standard.
yeah, 10 points.
Good.
And be stubborn with it as well, fam. Like prices will pull back on you and shit like that. You feel emotional about it. Yeah, I just say to myself,
Mm.
bro, just be stubborn about it. 10 points, because it does give you 10 points, bro. Most often anyway. You feel me? So whenever you feel like I'm feeling it right now, that's what I'm telling you. You feel me? I'm seeing it pull back a bit, and all of that
Yeah.
shit. So it's just a mindset thing. You feel me? Just be stubborn with 10 points because it's about making profit as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
And in terms of management, do you ever move your stop to break even, or you
no,
just let it run?
no. Uh, so I move my stop to profit at 10 points, but it's a thing where
Okay.
um yeah, I don't move it. See, when you're managing an
Okay.
entry, you need to understand this. This is a 10 point move. You're trading a 1 minute move, and it's gonna take some time. You feel me? So expect
Yeah.
a pullback and expect a continuation. Like expect
Yeah.
an impulse, a pullback, and a continuation, because you're getting in at the very beginning of a trend, at the very
Okay.
beginning. So it hasn't even made the first pullback yet, and we know that it's around the third pullback that price reverses.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. So you see here, we got that higher time frame wick.
Yeah.
Close that.
Order filled.
Now, this is the last down candle responsible for breaking out of a lower time frame. I can't lie. This is so like it's so just it's just like being so like this is so hard for me to explain, but it is essentially the last down candle responsible for breaking out of the lower time frame previous range. The last one.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Okay.
repeat it again. See if I can get it down consistently. It's the last down candle responsible for breaking out of the last previous range from the lower time frame.
Okay.
This is a pullback right here. That was I can't tell because of these boxes here. Nah, the high was right there. Exactly. So this is actually meant to be right there. This zone there. So the pullbacks that I'm counting are pullbacks from lower time frames.
Yes.
And that's an added confidence in knowing that, okay, cool, price can reverse, right?
Wow. Insane.
For real.
How long did that take? That was like
How
not
long
even
did that
5 minutes.
take? Literally, like, that's your ability.
Wow.
Who's calling, man? Yo, anyway, bro,
Yeah.
I actually got some shit to do, but I appreciate you being here for real, and I hope you learned something for real, man. Definitely, yo, send me some charts, and
Okay.
we're gonna we're gonna bump that win rate up, bro, for real, man.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, man. Take care, bro.